Hey guys, it's Sam here from Print and Play. I'm excited to announce my newest design, which is the Flexi Crocodile. I put a poll up on my Patreon a little while ago asking what you guys were wanting, and the votes came back with more medium-sized things, so here he is. So he's print in place with no supports. I've designed his links to be super strong. No way you'll be pulling that apart anytime soon. And his key feature that I've designed is that his mouth opens and closes. You can push down on his head here. So he was just released on my Patreon on the 10th, and if you are one of the first 50 to join, you get a massive lifetime discount. So yeah.